You're gonna see my face pop up on the notifications every week. I'm sorry for the delay. Sorry for the wait. But I'm back. So I got something special for you. Very, very, very special. Early. Well, I don't want to say early. Well, we'll get into this. But before we get into what's in here, I need you guys to go like, subscribe, tell a friend that I'm back.
Maybe I'm the new kid.
Petrovsky is cooking up dope.
I got on some new shit.
Okay, so what's in this box? I didn't even open the box because I was like, yo, since I've been gone for so long, I want to give y'all something straight, special delivery. I need that. So I'm gonna show y'all what's in this box. Oh, you already know when you see a box like this what it is, what date it is, and what this box is. Y'all already know. I don't know why y'all playing. Y'all already know. But here we go. I want to say this is early, but it's not early because the sneaker released, shock drop, a little early. Everybody come scrambling to get them, but I got them. You get to see them. Here they go. Bam! Woo! These joints right here. I bring to you, ladies and gentlemen, the Air Jordan 4 Retro 2019 Black Fire Red Cement Gray. These are amazing. Nike Air on the back. Don't give it to me if it ain't Nike Air on the back. Okay, so most of you have known that the shoe shock dropped like a week or two ago, and I got mine in. The release is May 4th though. May 4th for the 4s. The 4s drop on the 4th, which is next Saturday. And for a retail price of $200, very, very crazy. Nike bugging. Just because they put Nike on the back, they bugging. But we still gonna cop them. They're still gonna sell out because they're fire. These are some people's grails. These are some people's favorite sneaker. This one right here. Some people might call it the Air Jordan 4 Cement, but me, I call them the Air Jordan 4 Breds. Bred colorway. The black with the red with a little bit of white. That's can't go wrong. You gotta stay right? Okay, so as you would know, Jumpman Flight on the tongue, right there. Nike Air on the back with black. This is Nubuck. Black Nubuck. Yeah. Gray on the bottom. The trifecta colors on the bottom. Keep it nice. I love the smell of new shoes. Let's take this out. Okay, you got the red Nike Air on the inside. Yeah, it's a great shoe, amazing shoe. Black laces, amazing shoe. But yeah, my thoughts on this shoe. It's an amazing shoe. And if Nike keeps doing this, Nike and Jordan keeps doing this, breaking out these OG colorways and keeping it all the way OG, destined to sell out. Yeah. So with a retail price at $200 US, these are the Air Jordan 4 Retro 2019 white, black, fire red cement. Just amazing shoe. So go get yours when they drop on May 4th, 2019 for the retail price of $200 like I just said. And get them for the whole fam. Well, I'm your boy Corey, and this has been one more time for y'all. I'm back, here to stay forever. Y'all thought y'all got rid of me. No, y'all didn't. Go tell a friend to subscribe. Be a homie. Y'all the homies. All my sneaker homies. I'm back. I'm never leaving y'all again. I'm sorry for that. My apologies. Pardon my absence. But go tell a friend to subscribe, like, get in the comments. Tell me how you feel about me being gone for so long. Tell me how you feel about these, then tell me how you feel Voice your anger. Take your anger out in the comment section on me for being gone for so long.
Maybe I'm the new kid.
Petrovsky is cooking up dope.